Yeah, if you want to make the real big money, then you have to build your own audience and self-host them.
Exactly.
I'm in contact with a lot of other YouTubers that create paid courses, and um, they usually make like 5 digits in their release week and stuff like that. So there's really a lot of money in making courses. Some of them make 6 figures in the first month of launching a new course or something like that. But this is not easy. You have to do a lot of marketing for this, and they are really good with this. Like they build their email lists and they know how to warm the email list up. And there's a lot. I find it incredibly hard to do this properly. And but this is where the real money is, basically. But people should not imagine this to be easy. It's definitely not easy. Creating the course is difficult, and marketing it is difficult as well. But this should still not stop you from getting started, because you have to start somewhere and practice and just get better. Again, I would start with free content usually, just to get good at making content first, building an audience, learning how marketing works, and then eventually make a paid course.
If you want to, for example, just to give our audience a bit of context, if you want to understand how how important an audience can be, there's an example with a very popular Twitter account that has received, I think, 20 or 30,000 of followers in less than a month, right? And at some point, that particular person that already had built a huge audience, obviously, asked the following question: if I would write an ebook, right? Would you buy it, or something like that? It was something across these lines, right, along these lines, and everybody in the comment section was like, "Yeah, I would buy it, even if it's about Twitter growth or if it's about something else, I will buy it." So the importance is that if you have an audience, it's very easy to get started and to sell basically everything.
Was it the specific account you were talking about, or was this just?
If you heard of Coding Yuri, she was able to get, last time I checked, it was 24,000 if I'm not mistaken, but again, a huge amount of followers, and it was really interesting to see that people were excited about buying a product, an actual product that doesn't even exist right now, right? So talking about a waiting list, right? This is something that makes an audience really important, and most of it I mean, this thing is so cool that she even received a job, right? So within 2 months of Twitter or something less than that, she also received a job offer, right? She was learning programming, she didn't have experience, and she got a job offer, right? So I think that an audience can make wonders.
Yeah, definitely. This cannot be overstated how important it is to build an audience.